All right, this is going to be a Whiter Shade of Pale by Procol Harum. This was a late 60s classic. It's kind of slow moving, it's not too fast, so it's got some like kind of easy finger picking. So this might be a little bit more beginner friendly than some of the stuff that I do. So let's take a look at this. We have 5-5-3 down here, third, second, and first strings. We're going to go back to that 5 on the third, then we're going to switch to the 4th fret right there. Okay, so it's 5-5-3-5, and then 4-5-3-4, and then we're going down to 2-1 open to the 2, and then open 1 open to the open, and then we're going to jump here to this F, 3-2-1, 3, and then 2-2-1-2. So let's look at all that. So each time you have 3 notes, and then you go back to the first note of that series. So we have 5-5-3 down here. And back to that first note, and then we're going to jump to the 4. Let's try those two. 3 and 4 and then 2-1-0 to open 1-0. See how that works? Let's try that again. 3 and 4 and to the 4, and then 2-1-0. Open 1 open, and then we're going to go 3-2-1 F chord, 3 and 4 and down to like that D minor, 2-2-1, and then D, open 2-3, open, and then we're going to have to kind of switch it around because we don't have that C bass. So we're going to go F chord shape, but we're going to start on the second string, that C note. We're going to go. Okay, so that one switches around a little bit. So when we had this first F, we had 3-2-1, 3, and then 2-2-1, 2, and then open 2-3, open, and then we have to go to the F chord again. We're going to start on the second string. Okay, then we're going to jump this up, 5-4-3-5. Now we have 3-4-3-3. So that's a little dominant 7 chord there. So we got. Now we have an E minor, 2 open open, to a G with open open open, and now we're going to have to do that kind of reverse thing on a C chord where we have to start on the second string, and then we're going to go 3-0-1-1. Okay, so let's go through everything we have so far. 3 open 1-1 there, and then we're going to move to a new part. Okay, so that was a G chord, 5-4-3, and then we went 4 on the G string. We slide it into 5. We hit that little 5, and then we go 5-7 on the G, little 7, and then 7-9, and then we're going to be in this F shape here. It's like a C though. We're going to have little note, and then those bigger notes. So I move down to the 9 and 9 and 8 here. And then 7-5-5, 5-5-5, 3-2-1, and then A minor again, D, and then the F, we have to start on a higher note. And then we're jumping back up. Same stuff. Now at this point, we're starting over with the 5-5-3. And it's all the same. So that one would be 0-2-3 open, and then we have the F. We have to start on the higher note, and then we're going to jump up here. 3-4-3, 2 open open. Back to the beginning. it's a lot of repeating. Now this time we went 3, 2, 1, 3, and then 2, 2, 1, but the 2 on the G string instead, because we're about to do something slightly different. We're going to do a D minor all the way up. 0, 2, 3, 1. And we kind of have a staggered set of notes on that. Open, 2, 4. So it's not like bum, bum, bum. It's like ding, ding, ding. So each note is like a dotted note that lasts a little longer than, the first 2 notes are dotted notes. And that one's kind of a normal 8th note. Okay, then we're going to be back to the beginning. Do this one I like to do this one like that, but it might be easier if you're not used to those kind of heavy bars like that. You could always do that like a D shape on those bigger strings. E minor, G. Now we have a new thing. We're going to go 7 to 9 on the G string. So it's 7 to 9 and then 8 on the small string. And then hit the 9 again on the G, slide that into 10, hit a 10 on the bottom, and then 7 to 9 to 8 again, and then 9 to 10 again. Okay, and then everything that we did up to that point completely plays over again. So we're not going to go through that again. You see how that goes. Now, as we go to the last couple pages of this, we're going to have same beginning. Then we're going to have the C. We got to start on the high note. And the 3, 0, 1, 1. And then 5, 4, 3. And a quick 4 to 5 there. So this is the new thing. And we have those ending notes there. Going to come back here. At that point, it's like faded out. But there's a little bit more here in the sheet music that I found on Songsterr, so maybe there's like a longer version. So it kind of does that thing twice, and then it goes. And then it goes to a F minor. And then it has a little ending. We got little 1, 1, 1, open 3. And then 1, open 3. We're going to go back to the 1 because we don't have that low C. So it's 1, 1, open 3. And then 1 on the second string. 1, open 3, back to 1. And then we'll end with a chord that has that 3 and then an open and then a 1. Okay, so that is a Whiter Shade of Pale by Procol Harum. I'll have a tab with this. Take it nice and slow and have fun. It's kind of an easier one than some of these. So hope you all have a great day. Talk to you soon.